the ENGWE M20 electric bike stands out in the crowded marketplace of electric bicycles, offering a compelling combination of power, performance, and versatility. As an electric bike designed for adults, the M20 brings the best of both worlds, a robust moped-like performance and the convenience of a traditional bicycle. With its powerful 1000W motor, the bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it an enticing option for both commuting and leisurely rides. First and foremost, the design of the ENGWE M20 is sleek and modern. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only ensures durability but also keeps the bike lightweight at around 70 pounds. The folding feature is an excellent addition, allowing for easy storage and portability. Whether you plan to stow it in your car trunk or carry it onto public transport, the folding design makes it incredibly convenient. The bike also features a well-padded seat that provides comfort for long rides, and the adjustable seat height ensures that riders of various sizes can find a proper fit. Performance-wise, the 1000W motor is a standout feature. It provides ample power for tackling hills and rough terrains, making it suitable for diverse riding environments. The 48V13A lithium-ion battery complements the motor well, offering a generous range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like rider weight, terrain, and riding mode. The battery charges relatively quickly, typically taking about 5 to 7 hours, which is reasonable for a bike of this caliber. For urban riders or those who face varied inclines, the ENGWE M20 provides reliable torque and acceleration, making riding feel effortless. In terms of riding experience, the ENGWE M20 excels with its 3 riding modes: electric, pedal assist, and manual. The electric mode is perfect for those who want a hands-free experience, just throttle and go. Pedal assist is an excellent feature for those looking to get some exercise while still enjoying the benefits of electric assistance. It allows you to set the level of assistance based on your preference, making it versatile for different fitness levels. Lastly, the manual mode functions just like a regular bike, offering you the chance to pedal without any assistance if you prefer a traditional biking experience. Safety is a top priority for any bike, and the ENGWE M20 doesn't skimp in this area. It comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power even at high speeds. The bike also features a bright LED headlight and a rear reflector for enhanced visibility during nighttime rides, which is particularly important for urban commuting. The 20-inch tires provide stability and grip, whether you're riding on city streets or uneven paths, adding to the overall safety profile. One aspect to consider is the bike's weight. At 70 pounds, it can be heavier than some traditional bikes, which might be a disadvantage for those who need to carry it frequently. However, this weight also contributes to its stability and durability on the road. Additionally, the bike can support a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, making it accessible for a wider range of riders. Another point of consideration is the assembly process. While the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, some users may find the setup challenging, particularly in aligning the brakes and adjusting the gears. It's advisable to have a basic understanding of bike mechanics or consult a professional for the best results. However, once properly assembled, the ENGWE M20 is a joy to ride, thanks to its smooth gear shifting and responsive controls. One of the most significant advantages of the ENGWE M20 is its cost-effectiveness. In the realm of electric bikes, it offers features and performance that rival higher-priced models, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. The combination of power, range, and versatility makes it ideal for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or even just casual rides around the neighborhood. In conclusion, the ENGWE M20 electric bike is a robust, well-designed, and affordable option for adults seeking an electric bike that